Hello guys! Yes, for those who are asking, eto na po, ang Pongnam Hotel where we stay in Sapa. Ayan, makikita nyo yung different kinds of rooms na pinagstayhan namin kasi big group nga kami. May standard, may quadruple room, may family room. Yay! Ayan, nakarating na rin kami. This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Hello guys! Yes, ito na nga po ang hinihintay natin. Joke. Ay, sa mga nagtanong, mga dalawa o isa yun, ito na po ang ating room tour sa Pongnam Hotel. Ayan. Kinuha ko pala guys, is standard room. Good for 2 people. Yung kasama ko kasi hindi natuloy for some reason. Kaya ako lang mag-isa sa room na to. Well, ayan. Tingnan natin. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. On the spot to guys. Ayan. May mga amenities naman guys dyan. Shower, cup, toothbrush, toothpaste, brush, hairbrush, or hair comb, shaver. Hindi ko makailangan yun. Ayan, meron din shampoo, conditioner, at importante ay may bidet. Yay! May bidet tayo, guys. O, ayan, syempre may heater dahil sobrang lamig dito, guys. O, ayan. Let's go. Ayan, meron dalawang slipper. Ayan, may pa flower pot dyan. May isang TV. Siyempre, ilan pa ba ang TV? And may mga free tea and coffee and water. Tapos, may pa-electric fan. May water, bed heater pa yan, guys. So, ayan ang itsura ng bed, cabinet, small ref, the window, and, at saka, tingnan natin kung ano ito. Okay, ayun. This will lead, kasi sabi sa description, meron common balcony na mountain view din, guys. So, ayan. So, ito yung hallway ng mga rooms. Ayan. Ayan. Evening to, guys, ha. Ito ang itsura ng evening. Mali, hindi ako pumunta dun sa gila. I don't want to see madilim. Good morning. Yes, did I sleep? Adjusting, but I had a sound sleep, o diba? Yan. Diba? This bed is good for 2 people talaga. O diba? Nice. So, let's see. Looks like in the morning over here. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's raining. OMG. It's raining, guys. It's raining. Oh my God. Hindi kasi basa. Diba? Ito pala yung common balcony. Ano naman yung namin kaya? It's raining, guys. Tapos, mayroon kami, ayan, shared passageway. Ayan, shared passageway. Alam mo, yung sa akin, tapos lang kila office sa dulo. Oh, yun guys. May pa-electric fan, may hair dryer, may mattress heater sila, guys. This is the heater. Ganito, heater. Siguro ganyan. At see. Yan, it's a heater. Yan. Pag ganyan pa. Diba? In fairness, maganda naman siya. And may cabinet. Okay. Ito, cabinet. May payong pa with free payong. Well, guys, spacious yung lugar. This is good for two people. Standard room yata nila. Ayan, no? Bed, laki. And of course, the payong. There's refrigerator. Syempre, free to use lang yan, ah. And for tumo, ito naman yung sa good for 4 people na room. So, they will take us to the room. Ayan, yung hallway nila. May hallway papunta doon. By the way, yung setup ng hotel, guys, is like the 5th floor is the ground floor. O, diba? Kami, 4th floor sa baba kami. Kasi nga, mountain to, diba? So, ayan, dito sa 5th floor, sa may side nila, ang wall is pa-brick. Siguro ito is newly renovated na. Oh, ayan. Guys, ano to on the spot room tour. Kaya medyo makalat. Pasensya na. Yun ang sabi nila sa akin. Pero they let us through sa kanilang room. Oh, ayan. There are 2 double bed. Oh, ayan. Tapos, may balcony sila which is mountain view. O, diba? Pero it's a foggy day kaya wala tayong makita, guys. So, kung kami, lalabas pa kami sa common hallway, then we will have that common mountain view. Sa kanila, each room dito sa side na to is may mountain. Guys, iba rin yung room nila. Ang atake is kahoy. Team kahoy sila. Team kahoy and brick. Ang ganda din, guys. Ayan, yung design is, ayan o, nakita nyo may mga brick, yung side table nila. Ayan, ang charger, 'di ba? Kailangan na yun ng universal charger. Ayan, yung kahoy na side table nila. Oh, patungan ng gamit. Oh, ayan, 'di ba pa kahoy effect? Super ganda rin ng family room. Kaya halika na, let's go. Let's make room tour. Ayan po sila, ang magandang family room na pinagstayhan nila Shelo. O, diba, bongga. Ayan. May pa-crib pa. O, diba? Pag may infant yung ano. And then, ayan yung banyo. Makikita nyo siya, guys. O, ayan. Of course, alam nyo na may bidet yung banyo. Actually, Shelo lang ang pinakamaayos na room tour. Miski sa akin, basta ko na lang inano yung aking magyaya. Ayan, si Bri. O, ito ang balcony, guys. O, diba? Kita mo ang balcony. O, ayan siya, guys. Pero, nung dumating kami, ito, foggy morning, the afternoon, day before. O, diba? Ayan. Yan ang kanilang view sa labas. O, diba? Ang cute. So, ayan ang aming room tour, guys, dito sa aming hotel. Well, of course, nakita nyo na rin na yung aming is with free breakfast buffet. So, ito yung kanilang buffet area. Nagsaserve yan hanggang, I guess, hanggang 11. The normal timings. Tapos, syempre, Asian food, guys. Ayan, makikita nyo naman kung anong meron dyan. Egg, yung mga normal na ayan, tingnan nyo na lang. Actually, na-mention ko na to sa previous vlog ko, yung aming day 2 yata. O, ayan. Tapos guys, merong iwanan ng gamit. Kung mag-check out na kayo, tapos mamaya pa yung punta nyo sa airport or sa city, ayan, dyan sa side ng reception, gaganyan nila yung gamit nyo. O, diba? Ayan. Tapos, ito yung sa pagpasok mo sa entrance ng reception, may pa-waiting area dyan. Actually, may hagdanan pa sa baba. May mga upuan din. Ito si ate, nakikita nyo, may heater dyan, parang charcoal, kasi nga malamig dito, diba? Ayan yung reception. O, ayan. Tapos yung hallway, yung papunta sa room, at saka papunta dun sa buffet area, dito sa kaliwa. And sa kanan, may mga inquiry about the spa, yung mga ganyan. So, dyan siya sa side na yan. So, ayan ang aming hotel. Ganda siya guys. Highly recommended. Yan ang view from the foggy day na nandoon kami. Ayan. Yan, on our way up to the right, Sapa Station. Ayan kami. That's our neighborhood. Yun lang. And on our last day guys, ayan, nagpakita ang haring araw. So this is the view, the mountain view from our floor. O diba? Ayan yung sa labas na foggy na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag may araw, ayan yung itsura, real mountain view. Ayan, para ka nang nasa clouds. Yun lang. So this will end our Pong Nam Hotel room tour. Yun lang, guys.
And thank you guys for watching. Mwah!
And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later!